guys, welcome back to this beginner project series. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to build a simple quiz program in Python. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create a dictionary. On the dictionary, I'm going to name it quiz. That's the name of the variable. Then this, my dictionary, is going to contain dictionary inside. Let's say, and this dictionary is going to contain all my questions I'm going to use in this quiz. So I'm going to say question one, question one. I think I have to use this since this string is wrong for me to type it like this. Or question one, then put another dictionary. So this is my dictionary. This is the first key, and then this first key contains a value which is also a dictionary, and then this value is going to contain two keys with their own values. So the first key is going to be question. How am I using typing this straight? Question, and the value is going to be the question I want to ask. As I can say, uh, what what is the full meaning of IC? Make it capital letter IC. So I can say what is the full meaning of IC. Question is what is the full meaning of IC? And then the next key is going to be answer. Answer, and answer is going to be the answer to this question, which is going to be integrated circuit. I believe this is the correct spelling for circuit. Integrated circuit. So this quiz is going to be difficult because when you are typing, it's going to be a little bit difficult. When you are typing, you have to make sure you type the exact words I type here. If not, if you miss one character, then you have a wrong answer. So you are going to be careful with how you type in this quiz program. And I wanted to like make it optional, like A, B, C, D, something like that with options, but it's going to like make the program very, very long. So I think you can also do it, try to like make it optional so that it will be easier for the user to like give back his feedback without entering, without typing all this and without being mindful of the right word and the wrong word. So this is our first question, and I'm going to copy it because I'm going to use it for another question. And mind you, we have a comma here, and then at the end of this first question, we also have a comma here. So let's copy the first question and paste it for the second question. Let's say question two. And then the question is not going to be what is the full meaning of, let's say, AI this time. And then the answer is going to be, let's say, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Is intelligent or intelligence? Anyway, anyone you type, make sure you you make yours correct or better. So this is my second question. So I'm going to type the third question. At least I'm going to have up to 5 questions here. I'm going to say paste this, and this is my question 3. I believe I did not copy more than I should have. Copied more than I should have. So I'm going to say question 3, and then what is the full meaning of PC? I'm going to be using simple term. I say personal computer, and then leave that. Then I have to like paste another question. Then this question is going to be question 4. Then what is the full meaning of what again? I've used AI, I've used PC, I've used IC, I'm going to use CD. I think I should be doing capital letter CD. I think this should be capital letter PC. And it should have a question mark. There is a question mark. So the answer is going to be, let's say, compact disk. And then the last one is what am I going to use as the last question now? I'm typing most of this from my head, so I'm going to just see what I'm going to use as the last question. I wish I could ask you people and then get immediate feedback right now. So let's say the full meaning of, I need something like 2 words, something like that. But let me just say that's the full meaning of CPU. Never wanted to use CPU. It's long as a CPU. CPU. Then I'm going to make it central processing unit. Central processing unit. I'm going to remove this. And then we have our 5 questions already typed out and saved to a dictionary called quiz. So now we are going to get to the part where things get interesting. So I'm going to create a count. I'm going to create a count. And what this count does is each time I get the question correct, it should increment the count by 0. I'm just going to set the count variable to 0. Then I'm going to write a for loop now for key, comma, value, for key slash value in quiz dot items. So I believe most of you know how to use for loop. I have a tutorial on that. You can go and watch my for loop video if you don't really know how to use for loop. But this for key, this is the key, and then value, this is the values in quiz dot items. So for this key and value in this quiz dot items, then run this code, and we're going to execute a print question. Print. We're going to print value dot or value. In my value, I have 2 values. As you know, I have question and I have answer. So I have to specify the value I want to print. So I'm going to use the position. I'm going to say print value question, and I think it has to be string value question. So that's the value I'm going to print, and then I'm going to print value question. Then another one answer. I'm going to say answer is equals to input. Here is where I'm going to accept the answer, and then open bracket. Please type in your answer correctly. Please type it. Is the user going to type in wrongly answer for me before? Please just make it type in your answer like this, and then please type in your answer, or please enter your answer whatsoever you use is fine. The major aim is for the program to be working. So now let's see something again. I'm going to use if. So if answer is equal to value, remember we have 2 values, so this time I'm going to say value answer. I believe my answer is correct. Value answer. If the answer is equal to value dot answer, then we'll say print correct and correct. So this is what I want the program to print once I get the program correct. So let's see if this is really working. Python quiz.py, and then it said what is the full meaning of IC. I'll say integrated circuit like this. And then it said correct, what is the full meaning of AI, and then so on and so forth. So once the question has ended, you see that it will print nothing here. I'll just clear my screen, and then let's see again how you're going to type this. Then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to increment the count we have here to 1. So each time the answer is correct, I'm going to say count plus equals to 1. That's what I'm going to do. And else print wrong answer. Print wrong answer. I believe it's correct. Then let's see what will happen if time we see the questions in questions. I think I need a space there. So to put a space there so that everything will not be joined together, I can just put a single print that does nothing. I can just say print and then open bracket, put in this print that does nothing. So let's see again. What is the full meaning of ICT integrated circuit. Correct. And then what is the full meaning of AI? You see, we have space here, but I think the space should be after the correct. Now, what is the full meaning of AI? I'm going to run all these ones. Wrong answer. You see, each one I did not answer, you will tell me the wrong answer, or each one I leave without answer, you see that I have wrong answer for them till the project is over. And then I think it should print wrong answer for me, and then I leave wrong answer else. Copy. Let me just leave it simple like this. Then at the end, it's going to print. I need it to print the score for me. And let me fix the other print. Let's say Control X. I need this after my answer. Control X. I need this somewhere here. So now, what this does is look over the question. It look over the dictionary, and as it go through again, start from the beginning and come through again. So that is why you see that there should be a space here each time it goes over. So now, this time I'm going to print my count. Let's say when the person is over, when everything is done. That is why I return to here, because I don't want this to be under this else or under the for loop again, but this is just outside everything. I'm going to print you got, let's say you got, make a string, you got, I like using format string, but if I'm not using format, I just use you got what on count. Let's say int, it's an integer, so I have to convert it to like string before I can concatenate it with this. So I'm going to like go and change it to like convert it to string. So count here is an integer 0. So whatever we are going to store in this count is going to be an integer. So for me to concatenate it with this, or if I'm using plus with this, I have to like convert it to string. So that's why I'm going to enter my count here, my count inside here. So once I save this now, let's try to see what we are going to have at the end of everything. And let's see what's the meaning of ICT integrated circuit. Oh wait, I'm messing it up. Correct. What's the meaning of AI? Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Correct. What is the meaning of this? I don't know. Then I wanted it to print something. Wrong answer. You got 2. So can you see now it's telling us that we got 2, but we should have something like out of 5 or something. So we need a space here. You got 2 out of 5. Let's say. And let me concatenate this once again. 2 out of 5. It has to be a string. A space. So let's save it again and try it out. CLS. Then what's the formula of integrated circuit? Correct. Artificial intelligence. Correct. What's the formula of this? Correct. And then the answer, wrong answer. Then you see it's telling me that you got 2 out of 5. I think this is okay now. Now I want to like calculate the percentage. I can still say print, and then, but in order to make your code cleaner, I don't encourage using concatenation every time, but if you feel comfortable with it, fine, but I feel comfortable using format string. So I want to get the percentage now. You got 5 out of 2, so I'm going to calculate the percentage, and your percentage is then this. In my percentage, I'm going to multiply the questions. Okay, how am I going to do my percentage again? Count. I think to divide by the number of questions and then multiply by 100. So this is my percentage. So I'm going to see if it's going to work. It's going to work. So let's see. Let's go to the screen and run the program again. What's the full meaning of ICT? Integrated circuit. What's the full meaning of AI? Artificial intelligent. What is the full meaning of PC? Personal computer. What is the full meaning of CD? Compact disk. Correct. What is the full meaning of CPU? Central processing unit. I think I got it. Yes, I got 5 out of 5, and your percentage, I made a mistake here, and your percentage is 100% or something like that. Dot zero. I don't want it to be dot, so I'm going to convert everything to integer so that I won't be seeing that dot. I'm going to say int, convert everything to integer here, so that we will not be having 100.0 here. Your percentage is always 100 or nothing. And another thing I want to do is I want to like put the percentage sign after my percent. So I'm going to put something like this after my percent. I believe, but it should not be inside here, because if it's inside there, it's going to turn to modulus. So outside, I'm going to like make it like this, something like this. So once I save this now, how about that year? I have to change that year. The percentage is this. So let me clear my screen. Run the program again. What's the full meaning of ICT integrated circuit? Correct. What is the full meaning of AI? Artificial intelligent. I'm going to get this one wrong. So at the end, you see you got 2 out of 5, and your percentage is 40%. That's all. So I got 2 out of 5, and my percentage is 40. So you can get 3. Your percentage can be 60 or so on. So I believe you see how you can build a basic quiz program in Python. If you have any question on this, how to do this, please you can drop your question on the comment box. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share this video if you really enjoy it. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.